Thanks for coming back to my channel. I know I ain't been as consistent as I need to be, but I'm gonna be. I came here because I just sprayed my hair down and I was like, y'all wanna know what's in this bottle? You need to be spraying your hair down if you got locks. So if you wanna know what's in my bowl, stay tuned. Basically, we're sticking in there. We're still 5 months in. Okay, 5 months in. All right, so let's get into it. This is gonna be a quick little video about what I put in my water bottle for my hair to stay moisturized, because that's like number uno. Number one thing you need to be doing: spraying your hair at least twice a day. I do it at least twice a day. Yeah, pretty much. So let's get into it. So I love this little spray bottle. It's so cute. But what I put in it is a number of things. So number one, water. Water. It's super important to have water, okay? Sometimes you can go and just put water in it and that's it, if you want to. I combine my things, I combined a lot of, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but at least 3 things in here. So number one, oil of your choice. Mine would be olive oil. I love these little things. They don't cost but like $1.99 at your local drugstore or beauty supply. Most of the time is where I get them. I put a few drops of this in here. Okay, a few drops. Olive oil, I switch up and I might put a different kind of oil. I might put coconut oil in there. It just depends on what I'm feeling. I always try to combine something that's gonna smell good, okay? I want something that smells good because you got locks, you spraying your hair, and it's just, with me, in my first journey, and I just always wanted my hair to smell decent, okay? A lot of people put peppermint oil. I don't have any, but they have a peppermint oil that comes like this too, for smell. Rosemary, things like this. But I might have showed you this before, but this is my rose multi-use oil. You see the little roses in here? But it also has sweet almond oil. That's another good one. Very helpful. It's good for your scalp and keeping it very moisturized. So sweet almond oil is another oil. Just the oil of your choice is what you would want to put in here. This is also good for nails, hair, and skin. Okay, but I put a few drops of this in here. Just a few. A couple. Mix it up with the olive oil. Come back. I put my famous rose water oil. Now this is white rose water oil. It don't matter what kind of rose oil you put in there. White or red or rose. It's good for your skin and your hair and your face. I put this in my face as a toner. I loved it, but it also works for hair. And so this is really good for moisture. I gotta get some more, as you see. That's kind of all I got left, but I put about that much in there. Now I don't really be measuring and all that. I just go put a little bit in there and keep it moving, because who ain't got time for that? Me, okay? Last but not least, make sure I got everything. Yeah. Lemon oil, you say? Lemon oil? I mean, first of all, it ain't lemon oil, it's lemon juice, okay? I put, if you've seen any of my other videos, I have mentioned this in my video about some tips from, I don't know which video, but I'll link it up here. I put about that much in it, a cupful, that much. This helps. I got this from a YouTuber long ago. I can't remember her name. On my first journey, when I was following everybody trying to figure out what to do with my hair, she said, put some lemon juice in your water bottle and spray your hair. it will help your hair lock faster. Now, I know lemon juice. Did I say lemon oil again? Sorry, you know I mean lemon juice, okay? I ain't finna go back and edit all that, okay? Lemon juice, you know, helps lighten your hair, you know what I'm saying? I know about that, but, you know, she was old school and her dress was down her butt. So I said, girl, I'm gonna try it. So my first journey, I did it for like, I don't know, I had already started my journey, so I don't know how many months I was in. But for the continuation of me doing that, it took about nine months before my hair locked completely. So I continue to put that in my water bottle because hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It ain't not doing anything. So try it. I got the Walmart version. So that is about all that I put in my hair. And I also I'll put this in my water bottle, but after I spray, aloe vera gel. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And it gives me like a little curl definition. Like, of course, my ends are not all the way, you know, they're not locked at all, but you know, it softens my hair because sometimes I spray and I do all that and then it just be dry. Even after I put my oil in it, because I'll put some of this all on her too, or whichever oil of my choice after I spray or before. And so, well, I know I just started doing this for like a couple of days, and I love the way it makes my hair feel. And it's not hard or anything. I'm gonna do a retwist video. Can I talk? A retwist video, just retwisting my hair with this. A lot of people do that. I'm gonna try it for the first time and see how it holds up. I won't do another retwist video. I'm trying to go. It's not always good to retwist your hair so often, you guys. It can thin your locks in the beginning. So I usually wait about a month, but I'm gonna try to go and wait till May. I'm gonna try because I'm like, ooh, I'm struggling. But as long as I can put a headband or something, I got this from Walmart. I got a couple of them. I can get away with this. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever. But I'm gonna try, y'all. It's gonna be a no retwist challenge for me. I'm gonna go until May. We'll see. I did it on my last video, a couple of videos back. I don't know how many weeks it's been now, but I'll link how many weeks it's been in up here somewhere. So I just want to drop in real quick and just do a little quick video, let y'all know I ain't forgot about y'all. We still doing our journey together. I do have some videos coming. I do. So stay tuned and stay with me. And like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, if you would like to see more, if you have any ideas about anything you want me to do a video about. I am willing to give out a gift certificate to maybe Starbucks or something, like a $5 gift certificate, $10. Y'all know y'all like y'all coffee. So if I use your video idea, you get one of those, okay? So leave it below about what you want to do. So if I do it, you will automatically get your certificate from your girl, Jeray, if I use your idea. So I want ideas, anything you want. You know, you're my audience, so I'm here for whatever y'all want to talk about. Hair related, beauty related, you know, stuff like that. So that is all I have for this good Sunday, and I hope y'all have a good one. And like I said, share this video with somebody you know. Share, comment, like. I know you subscribe because you know you go do that. You want to keep up with me, hit the notification bell, and we all good in what? My hood. Peace out.